Hello friends, hope you're well, and I'm back with another idea that is about glass bottles garden crafts. Glass bottles can be a beautiful and versatile addition to any garden decor, whether you're looking to add some color, texture, or a unique touch to your outdoor space. There are plenty of ways to incorporate glass bottles into your garden design. One popular idea is to use glass bottles as planters. You can either plant directly into the bottle or use them as a decorative covers for a traditional pot. Simply remove the labels, fill the bottle with soil, and add your favorite plant. You can also create a hanging garden by suspending bottles from tree branches or a pergola. Another idea is to use glass bottles as garden edging. This is a great way to define a flower bed or walkway and add a touch of whimsy to your garden. You can bury the bottles partially in the ground, leaving just the neck exposed, or stack them to create a more substantial border. If you're feeling creative, you can also use glass bottles to create unique garden art. For example, you can string them together to create a colorful wind chime, or use them as the base for a mosaic garden sculpture. You can even paint or attach designs into the bottles to create a personalized touch. When choosing glass bottles in your garden, it's important to keep safety in mind. Make sure the bottles are clean and free of any sharp edges, and avoid using them in areas where they may be bumped or knocked over. With a little care, glass bottles can be beautiful and unique addition to any garden decor. So this is all about today's topic, and I hope so you like it. If you like our videos, if you like our channel, subscribe us and do tell us from where you're watching. We would like to thank you.